Yo guys, hello. I'll show you how to make a lodestone compass. I'll show you how to make it. It's super easy. Like super easy. So first, you need to do it like, sorry for a bit laggy, but I'll show you. First, you need a stone, an ordinary stone. You need an ordinary stone. I'll get it. So as you can see, we got 1 stack and 12. We'll use this. Yes. Now let's smelt it. You smelt it, and if you smelt it, you get an ordinary stone, and we'll make a chiseled stone to make a chiseled slab stone, and make a lodestone. Alright, we'll just wait. Because this is super long, bro. Alright, I'm back. We got 7. I make this. Oh. What's this? Yeah, that. And instead of netherite ingot, you'll need an iron ingot. Because Minecraft just changed it. Oh, 2 more. Now we got 8. Done. Now you have a lodestone. And you'll just need the compass and tap it. Yes, I already have one. So the lodestone and compass leads you to your basta. It just leads you to wherever you put it if you go far away and don't know your way. So that's all. Subscribe.